I've researched hundreds of faceless YouTube channels to find the 7 niches that will actually make you money in 2024. But before I get into the actual niches, there's something you need to see. I got 45,000 views on this video on one of my faceless YouTube channels, and I got 500,000 views on another video from a completely different faceless YouTube channel. Now you'd think that the 500,000 view video made 10 times more than the 45,000 view video, right? 10 times more views should equal 10 times more dollars earned. Wrong. The 500,000 view video made me $920, while the 45,000 view video made me $641. Okay, so yes, the 500,000 view video made more money, but not 10 times more. So why is that? It's because of the niche of each of the faceless YouTube channels. Now the 500,000 view video was on a gaming channel. It had a CPM of $3.99, which is the amount of money YouTube charges from advertisers for every 1,000 views on your video, and an RPM of $1.85, which is the amount of money YouTube pays you for 1,000 views on your video. For every 1,000 views, I made $1.85. The 45,000 view video was on a personal development channel. It had a CPM of $51.51. That's over 15 times higher than the gaming channel. And it had an RPM of $14 even, which is over 7 times higher than the gaming channel. So for every 1,000 views on this channel, I made $14 even. So you can see it's extremely important to choose the right niche, because you could put the same amount of effort into 2 videos and get 1 million views on both. But if one is on a low CPM niche channel, it might only make you $100, while a high CPM niche channel might make you over $2,000 from the same million views. The amount of money that you make all comes down to the niche that you choose for your faceless YouTube channel. So I've put together this list of top 7 niches based on how they score across 2 main criteria. Number 1, the niche needs to have a high earning potential. And number 2, the videos in the niche have to be easy enough for you to create even if you're an absolute beginner. I'm ranking the niches from worst to best based on these criteria. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you an extremely easy way to create videos for any of these niches using the help of AI and some simple text prompts. So give this video a like and let's get into it with niche number 7, self-improvement. Now, like I just said, I've had personal success with this niche. It has an earnings potential score of 6 out of 10, and an ease of video creation score of 5 out of 10, giving it a total score of 5.5 out of 10. Using Improvement Pill as an example, we see it has 3.5 million subscribers and is estimated to be making $6.3 thousand per month from AdSense alone. This channel was created 8 years ago and the videos are evergreen. Jay Wisdom is an example of a more recent channel in the niche that's taken off in the last year with 65,000 subscribers, earning $1,000 per month by only posting 1 video per month. The videos that Improvement Pill makes are difficult with animations and advanced editing, but Jay Wisdom uses stock footage and movie clips in all of their videos, bringing the ease of video creation up. When I had a couple channels in the self-improvement niche, I used strictly stock footage. Moving on to niche number 6, psychology facts. It has an earnings potential of 5 out of 10 and an ease of video creation score of 9 out of 10 for an average score of 7 out of 10. For this niche, let's look at Top Think. They're estimated to be earning $6.5 thousand per month and have 2.67 million subscribers. They create listicle videos like top 12 facts for this, top 10 reasons for that within the world of psychology. Psychology Arcade is an example of one of the many channels that have popped up in the last year and are having success in this niche. Top Think uses animations for their videos, but you could easily create videos using only a voiceover and stock footage, like on Psychology Arcade. This brings us to niche number 5, health and wellness. It has an earnings potential score of 6 out of 10, ease of video creation score 9 out of 10 for an average score of 7.5 out of 10. 2 examples of channels in this niche are Bestie Health and Body Hub. Both are earning up to $7.7 thousand per month, creating videos that are purely stock footage with some simple text, motion graphics, and a voiceover. While they have both been around for 5 to 6 years, the health and well-being industry is expected to rapidly grow over the next 10 years, so there's a lot of opportunity here. The 4th niche for faceless YouTube channels is history stories. This niche has an earnings potential score of 8 out of 10, ease of video creation score of 8 out of 10 for an average score of 8 out of 10. Let's look at Alternative History Hub that has 2 million subscribers. For earnings potential, we see this channel is making up to $11.3 thousand per month from AdSense alone. This channel was started 11 years ago, but the niche is still working today. Let's look at the channel Historyverse, which released its first video in July 2023 and already has over 70,000 subscribers and over 40 million views. The videos on Alternative History Hub are made using stick figure animations and historical videos and photos that are relevant to the videos. These videos would be tough to make, which brings the ease of video creation score down, but Historyverse brings the score up a bit since those videos are 100% AI generated. Leading off the top 3 niches is book summaries. It has an earnings potential score of 7 out of 10, ease of video creation score of 10 out of 10, for an average score of 8.5 out of 10. Let's look at Escaping Ordinary, which has 1.1 million subscribers and brings in up to $4.3 thousand per month. They've been around for 5 years, but Book Every Day was started less than 2 years ago. Plus, books are coming out every day to summarize, so there will always be a need for this kind of content. Escaping Ordinary uses advanced animations and editing, but Book Every Day uses stock footage to create their videos. You could be successful in this niche and make it so much easier on yourself by using ChatGPT to summarize the books for you and InVideo AI to generate the videos for you. Niche number 2 on the list is business stories and documentaries. It has an earnings potential score of 10 out of 10, ease of video creation score 8 out of 10, for an average score of 9 out of 10. We're going to use 2 channels for this niche, Magnates Media and Company Man. Both earn anywhere from $8.7 thousand to $26,000 per month. There aren't too many examples of recently created faceless YouTube channels on this topic, but these videos are evergreen, and if done right, they can perform well on YouTube forever. Both use stock videos, photos, and content from around the internet with a voiceover to create their videos. The most difficult part of this niche is finding the stories to create videos about and putting scripts together in a way that will keep viewers engaged. But AI tools like ChatGPT or Bard can help. And finally, niche number 1 on the list is AI news and updates. With perfect 10s across the board in earnings potential and ease of video creation, we have the top opportunity with an average score of 10 out of 10. Let's look at the AI grid. They earn up to $19.2 thousand. Another example of a channel in this niche is AI Revolution X, earning up to $5.8 thousand. Both channels were created within the last year and have seen massive growth. They both create content using stock footage and other relevant images and videos of AI tools and brands. But AI is going nowhere, and content around AI is going to be successful for years and years and years to come. Now, with most of these niches, there are people out there getting thousands and thousands of views, thousands and thousands of dollars using stock footage, a voiceover, simple editing, and that's it. So let me show you an AI tool that can script, edit, find relevant footage, add a voiceover, add subtitles to your videos, and give you a publish-ready video with just a simple text prompt. Go to InVideo AI, sign up for a free account, then just select the type of video that you want, enter your prompt. The more detailed the prompt, the better, and then InVideo AI will do the rest. If you want to make changes to your video, you can even edit it using simple text commands like cut the first scene of the video, or replace the script with something funnier. So give it a try if you're interested at all in faceless YouTube channels. It's extremely easy and it's free. I really hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. We put a lot of time and effort into these videos. This is the second video of a series of videos where we're talking about everything faceless YouTube channels, from how to start them, how to pick your niche, how to grow them, how to make money with them, anything you need to know. So make sure to hit that subscribe button below. You don't want to miss any of the videos coming out. If you missed the first video, there's a link in the description to go watch that. Go watch that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.